something a little differently today. Normally we just cut to the cooking aspect of the show, but instead we're going to do things a little different. So as you know, we live in Southern Strawberry in the state of Bon Ton Valentine. That is a mouthful. Everywhere we go, people are eating this sandwich called the Chick-a-Boom Sandwich. It's really trending here in Strawberry. Everywhere we go, Southerners can't get enough of this Chick-a-Boom Sandwich. I thought Chick-fil-A was something. Forget about it. Now the Chick-a-Boom Sandwich is coming from Chick-a-Boom, the restaurant. It is located here in Southern Strawberry. It's been here for over 100 years in the making. And not only has it been around for a long time, it looks very retro, old-fashioned diner-type restaurant. You've got a variety of different foods, burgers, fries, hot dogs. And you'll see families come there eating all the time. They love this place. I even met one local. He's been going to this place for 30 years.
Oh,
30 years.
30 years customer.
30 years.
Wow.
If you come with me, I'll give you the recipe on how to make your own Chick-a-Boom sandwich, alright? Okay, so I don't know the exact measurements, but I do know this, alright? You're going to start off with some garlic powder. I'll do like 4 shakes of that. Then you're going to move on from the garlic powder and do a few sprinkles of ground cumin. Okay, that's ground cumin. Then you're going to top it off with one of the best things on earth called cayenne pepper. But not too much. You don't want to like burn your butthole open. Okay, after that, you're going to mix in some Himalayan black salt. A few sprinkles of this and you got a classic Chick-a-Boom seasoning. Next, you're going to want to cut up your pork belly. So you're going to just take a knife and whatever hand is touching the meat, always wear a glove, and you're just going to slice your pork belly. That's what we're doing, just cutting up some pork belly. You're going to set your skillet on high. No need to add grease to your skillet. And the reason I say that is because it's pork belly. It's like really awesome bacon. It makes its own grease. Start stirring up the pork belly as it's cooking. Get everything to that golden color. Ooh, that looks lovely. Now, as you're mixing that up, then come over and start cutting up a chicken burger patty. Yeah, you heard it. Chick-a-Boom, they use chicken burger patties. This one is a caramelized onion, roasted mushroom, and yes, you guessed it, extra garlic chicken patty. Yes, I said chicken patty, so clearly there's chicken in it. You're gonna dice this up into little cubes, like so. And when you do that, make certain to be very careful not to cut your fingers. And remember, you're touching meat, so you gotta wear gloves. Now, once you get this cut into nice little cubes, from there you're gonna literally go back over to your skillet, remove all the finished pork belly that is done. Just go ahead and scoop that into a container, remove that from the skillet. And once you've collected all of your pork belly from that skillet, the next thing I want you to do is go ahead and add your diced chicken patty. Just slide this stuff right off the cutting board directly into the pan. Go ahead and cook it in that pork grease. Woo-wee! Get that stirred up just enough. Now the beauty here is not only are we going to cook this in the pork grease, but remember that seasoning we made in the beginning of the video? Yep, you're going to add that to this right here. Once that's all done, grab 2 pretzel buns and go ahead and start adding the pork belly meat and the diced chicken patties into that pretzel bun. Make sure you stuff everything in there nice and tight. Then you're gonna literally drizzle a little bit of Ragu classic Alfredo sauce. Yes, this is some Alfredo Parmesan sauce that you are gonna just drizzle up and down the openings of this sandwich. And that is looking smooth. Now remember, you just took this hot off the skillet, so it's gonna be pretty hot, but not hot enough. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna slice 2 pieces of mozzarella cheese. Well, they use cheddar cheese at Chick-A-Boom, but I like mozzarella better for this type of sandwich. You put that on the top of the sandwich, and then you're just gonna pop it into the microwave. You're only gonna set it for about 20 to 30 seconds, just long enough for the microwave to literally melt that cheese.